As we move through 2023, there are signs that things are finally going to turn around in the housing market. Home appreciation is slowing from the recent frenzy. Mortgage rates have peaked. Inflation is easing, and overall market activity is starting to pick up. All of that being great news for the housing market this year. Welcome to another episode of This Week in Tampa Bay Housing for the week ending February 11th, 2023. And we've got a favor to ask you once again. If you are enjoying our weekly housing markets, please share them with a friend, and we would ask you to please subscribe to our Team Vergadamo YouTube channel, where you'll discover a wealth of information about Tampa Bay, and you'll never miss another episode in this rapidly changing real estate market. Here are the numbers for last week. For the combined counties of Pasco, Pinellas, and Hillsborough, looking at the 7-day period ending February 11th, 2023, there were 9,726 active residential properties available for sale. The amount of listings this week decreased by 137 homes from last week and 739 homes over the past month. Yet, seller inventory still remains more than double from 1 year ago as the housing market continues to shift back to a normal housing market. This week, 1,058 new listings entered the market. 1,296 listings had price reductions, which is a direct indication that the market was not accepting the current price of those homes. That means that about 1 in 8 active listings reduced their asking prices last week. 1,392 properties went under contract for a closing date sometime in the future, and 732 properties closed. To simplify this, more homes are on the market and less homes are selling. And here's some interesting news. Interest rates for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, according to Freddie Mac, averaged 6.12% last week. While some experts feel mortgage rates have peaked, rates are still up considerably from the January 2022 low of 3.22%. But the good news is that, as the graph indicates, mortgage rates have been trending downwards since November of 2022, and many financial experts are expecting rates to continue to decline, which would be great news for the spring housing market. And mortgage applications have actually been increasing. Sounds like positive news to me. Now, Wall Street analysts are still predicting a decline in housing prices from 5 to 20% in 2023. But other experts in housing are saying that housing prices may remain fairly constant on an average across the country. David Stevens, former Assistant Secretary of Housing, recently stated, "Long-term homeowners should view this market right now as a unique buying opportunity. This may be the one and only window in the next few years to get into a buyer's market. And as the Federal Reserve data shows, home prices only go up and always recover from recessions, no matter how mild or how severe. Only time will tell." Interesting times indeed. Now, if you are interested in getting more information about your specific home in your neighborhood, please reach out to us directly, and we will be happy to prepare and provide a detailed market analysis tailored to your unique situation. This is Paul with Team Vergadamo and eXp Realty. Remember, it is so important in these changing times of economic uncertainty that if you are even considering selling or buying a home, you need the advice of a real estate expert now more than ever to help you navigate through the real estate market. Anyone can pilot a ship in calm seas, and in these rough waters and uncertain times in real estate, Team Vergadamo has the experience, the expertise, and the certainty that you need to help you reach your real estate goals, because who you hire truly does matter. Thanks again for watching. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.